Now what we do? 1/4 cup of succotant. So you can use brown sugar, molasses sugar. I just use this, which is got molasses in it. It's just a raw sugar, so that's why I use that. Then I'm gonna go in with 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Two teaspoons of real salt. Take 1/4 cup of this salt. Basic rub. Got these vacuum seal bags that we're gonna go ahead and place it in just for less mess. I'm gonna take some of my mixture that I just made. Rub it. A bit more. Get it all over it. So on this next pork belly, we're gonna add some maple bourbon to it. We love this seasoning, but we're not sure how it's gonna go over. So we're just gonna do it on one of these and try it. Give it a good mix. So good. All right, now we're gonna go in the same way with the bag. Okay, we're getting the bag all sealed up. We want to get the air out of here. It's sealed up. We've got them all sealed up and the air pulled out of them. And we're going to put them in the fridge for 5 days. Every day we're going to flip them and kind of rub on them, make sure that all that rub's getting into the meat. And then after 5 days, we're going to go in and remove the marinade, let them air dry, and then we're going to put them in the smoker.
Let the bacon cure in the fridge for 6 days, and then we took it, put it out in the smoker, and used some hickory smoke, and we set it for 150 for about 3.5 hours, and let it smoke till it got internal temperature about 140-ish. And now we got it here, and we've been slicing it, and it smells awesome.